We're back at the house, and at this point we're really wrapping up a lot of the finishing touches on a lot of the work that the contractors are doing. The insulation went in on Monday. The electrical will be completely finished tomorrow. Most of the things that you don't really see but that take a little bit of time should be wrapping up this week. That means we get to do all the interior designing, which is where the fun really starts. Thought it'd be a really good point to get you caught up on where we are with the rehab, the changes we've made, all that good stuff. Talk about what we're doing and why we're doing it this way, what's up ahead. This is the farmhouse. We wanted to keep as many things original to the house and to the structure as possible. That includes the outside siding, so you can see some old and some matched with the new. The inside, this shiplap that was inside on the walls. This was a very old home. It did not have central air conditioning and heating, which is mind-blowing in Louisiana. No thank you. Without further ado, here's your update on where we are this week. Cue clip. Okay, so this week what all has happened is we have insulation that went in the house on Monday. We also have the electricals getting wrapped up this week, which is exciting because we could use some lights. All the drywall's up, it's been textured, it has been primed, it has been painted. Next step is to start putting down some flooring, get the plumber back out, set the tubs and a toilet, which we would be really excited to have. Hopefully cabinets will be in early this week. They were supposed to be in 2 weeks ago. They are not in yet. Luckily, we haven't really needed them quite yet. My garage is full. Mom says I can't take any more to her house either. The door, the front door. How could I forget about the front door? The front door was such a pain to strip. I had this beautiful idea that I wanted like a wood grain door. It's a wood grain, but it took a lot of work. It took us like 2 weeks to get it done. All of that has been done. We have refinished our first set of knobs to see if we like the color. I think that's pretty much where we're at. So let's go see. Stay tuned. Tuesdays are when we post polls. As we get closer to it starting to wrap up and we really start staging and things like that, we're going to start voting a lot more frequently. I might even throw in some bonuses and things like that.